What's up, guys? This is Angela Bay with Ask Profe Angela, where you get to be the star of the show. And for those of you who don't know, I have been an English teacher for the past 20 years, and I am so excited to be here to help everyone with their English language learning goals. Each week, you can write to me and ask me any question you want about the English language, like what is a conjunction and how in the world do you say onomatopoeia? It took me a long time to say that one. So, without further ado, let's get started. Question of the week. Profe Angela, can you give some tips on how to improve your writing? Thank you. Sarah Hogg, Barranquilla, Colombia. Well, let's start with be direct and concise. Good writing is direct and concise. Unnecessary words like prepositional phrases take up too much space in a sentence. For example, excessive prepositional phrases. The first half of the new book by Sarah Kaufman about the early history of Japanese animation, one of the first revolutionary styles in Japan, includes some remarkable stories of industry transforming technology innovation. Whew. And now for the revised version. Anime Next was one of the first companies in Japan. In her new book, The Power of Anime, writer Sarah Kaufman tells some remarkable stories of industry transforming animation. Less is best. Sentences are basic building blocks of great writing. A writer carefully designs every sentence to express a thought. Short sentences are key. Therefore, less words help not to lose or confuse the reader. Benefits of writing short sentences. Number 1, short sentences provide a direct path to your main point. Number 2, short sentences improve readability. Number 3, short sentences are more striking. And number 4, short sentences prevent you from overthinking. Generally, the active voice is the best short sentence to use whenever possible. It does not use a lot of words and gets straight to the point. For example, I cleaned the house today. This sentence follows a clear subject, verb, and object contract that's easy to read. Use your unique voice. Your writing style relies on your own unique voice. Communicate in your own words as you would in a conversation. Shape ideals with your original thoughts and voice. Then do your best to avoid cliches. Your writing style should reflect your personality. Don't use too many words. Being brief is a skill that every writer should know, and it's really important. Too many words should not be used. The reader, when faced with very long, hard sentences to read, will get very bored and may even give up. Learn from other great writers. Check out some of your favorite authors. Great writers put a stamp on their writing with a signature style. Read Strunk and White's famous guide the elements of style to learn how other writers create their style. Then, do the same with your own writing.
Now for this week's sentence challenge.
Write a paragraph about your last vacation using 5 to 7 sentences with an active voice. Now remember, be relatable. Use your own unique voice. And short sentences are better than long sentences. And if you need help, review the tips in this video and practice. Hey Sarah, thank you so much for this week's question, and good luck you guys on this week's sentence challenge. Remember, just type your sentences in the comment box below and I will give you a quick reply. Alright guys, that's it for this week on Ask Profe Angela, where you get to be the stars of your English language learning experience. And remember, if you're my English language warriors, hit that like button. And if you like what you saw, hit the subscribe button and become a part of the APA family. Alright, I trust you have a great rest of your weekend, and I'll see you next time. See you!